friends.
Hi friends.
So today we're going to do a unpacking of Pokemon cards. Do you want to tell us more about them?
We saw that there was the Happy Meal Pokemon toys that have each pack has 4 Pokemon cards in it, and each one has a guaranteed holographic. So we wanted to do an opening for them.
Yeah. So we got 3 Happy Meals. We went to the one on Holcomb, and they actually limit the number of Happy Meals that you can get because I think adults were taking advantage of it and buying like too many at a time. So the local one at Holcomb limits you to purchase 5 maximum. So we just got 3.
Mm-hmm.
How was the Happy Meal when we ate it?
It was okay. We just got chicken nuggets. Yeah, it was okay.
Yeah, we thought it was okay. Alrighty, let's do this.
Alright. So we've been watching other videos to try to refine our opening technique, but I actually haven't opened this, so let's see what's inside. There's some adhesive. The pack. Let's see. Let's open it up.
Oh, it's like a little kit.
So these are the Pokemon cards. So the one that everyone's looking for is the shiny Pikachu. This is like a, I don't know.
Oh, that's cute. It's like a little card.
Like a, I guess maze. Interesting.
Maze.
Interesting. All right.
Do you want to open all of them so
Yeah.
that you have these? They all have the same thing.
So apparently, some people were shining lights through the packet to see what cards they got. So let's see. Let's dive in. So I think I have to open it from this side because the holographic's on this side. So let me try. I'll try to open it so you guys don't see the shiny either. This is dangerous. I can't even see.
Yeah.
Paper. Oh,
Yeah.
the holographic was right here.
Yeah, it's right there.
Dang it! I was just trying to see it.
Yeah, its face is front like this.
Okay. Anyways.
Put it at the back. Okay.
Okay. What's this one?
Bring it closer. Trico.
Trico. Cyndaquil.
Chimchar.
Chimchar. Is it Chimchar?
And yeah. Ooh, shiny Cyndaquil.
Nice. Let's
Ooh, I like that.
Somewhere clean to put it.
Yeah, we can just put it back in here.
Or in the packet.
Yeah.
So apparently, even the Pikachu is supposed to be worth $100, and the others are like go from $10 each. So I guess that's why people were buying them out. You want to open this one?
Yeah. My turn to open it. Okay.
Nice technique.
Holographic in the back. All right, let's see.
Ooh,
Charmander.
Starter.
Having a starter is...
Or they're all starters, but this is one of the original ones.
Oh, yeah.
Chespin?
Chespin.
What's this one?
Oh,
The bunny one?
yeah.
No, this one. What's it called?
Score
Don't
Bunny.
bend the cards.
Oh, don't bend the cards, Alex says. And...
What's this, the monkey one?
yeah, Grookey.
Interesting.
Cute. Sorry, I need to be careful with the cards. Last one.
So the holographic's right here, right?
Yeah, so you have to open it, always just looking at this.
It's so hard to open it like this. Afraid of like ripping the cards. Okay, here we go.
Nice. No, this is the holographic, yeah.
Pikachu, maybe? Let's see. Snivy. Ooh, Squirtle.
Ooh, Squirtle.
Nice. Oh, jeez. Was this the owl one?
Yeah.
What's
What
his
is it
name?
called? Bring it back a bit.
Rowlet. Rice owl.
And
Ooh,
oh,
shiny
another
owl.
Rowlet.
Nice. Okay. Nice. I'll take it.
Cool. That was fun.
Yeah.
I like that we got 2 of the 3 original starters.
Yeah, that's true.
Squirtle and Charmander.
Nice. All right. What's our other shiny? We got Cyndaquil,
I like the Cyndaquil.
and then Rowlet. What's our other shiny? Oh, Grookey. I don't know
Grookey.
this Pokemon.
Cool. Would you get more?
I don't know.
It was fun for just
The
reminiscence
experience.
sake, right?
Yeah, some of these Pokemon I don't know. Like, I don't know Rowlet, I don't know Grookey, so,
Yeah.
but cool.
All right. Thanks for watching.
Bye.